Alright, folks, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of reeling in massive sharks on your fishing trips? Well, today's your lucky day because I've got the ultimate bait and chum recipe that will have those sharks biting in no time. Now, before we dive into the recipe, let me emphasize the importance of using the right bait and chum when shark fishing. It's not just about the thrill of catching a huge shark, but also about attracting them in the first place. And that's where our recipe comes in handy. So, let's talk about the challenge of attracting and catching those large sharks. These predators are picky eaters, and you need to have the right bait and chum to lure them in. Without the proper ingredients, you might as well be fishing in an empty ocean. Now, when it comes to bait, you want to use the best types for different shark species. Think mackerel, bonito, or bluefish. These fish are like candy to sharks, so knowing how to prepare them for maximum effect is key. Trust me, they won't be able to resist. But here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the secret ingredients for our powerful shark chum recipe. This concoction will drive sharks into a feeding frenzy, increasing your chances of a big catch. It's like ringing the dinner bell for these ocean giants. In conclusion, always remember the importance of using quality bait and chum for successful shark fishing. It's not just about luck, it's about strategy and preparation. So, next time you're out on the water, give our recipe a try and see the results for yourself. Before we wrap up, don't forget to share your own shark fishing experiences in the comments below. And if you want more exciting fishing tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to the channel.